Learn how to acquire, stabilize, and retain clients as a digital marketing agency owner. Now, let me ask you something honestly. In today's competitive agency world, is acquiring clients the real problem, or is it retaining them the real struggle? After working with 600 plus coaches and over few years, after seeing wins, losses, scale, churn, I realized something powerful. Clients don't usually leave tools, they leave agencies. They will renew hosting, funnel software, automation platforms, domains, CRM systems because rebuilding infrastructure is painful. But they will easily replace performance marketers, media buyers, support agencies. Why? Because you don't own the infrastructure. You are operating inside someone else's ecosystem. So when a client leaves, they take the entire system with them and just replaces you. Now imagine this. What if you own the infrastructure? What if the hosting, automation stack, dashboards, reporting logic were under your ecosystem? Even if they hire another media buyer, they still depend on your system. That is leverage. And no, you don't need to build $1 billion SaaS company for this. In the AI era, owning your own white label infrastructure is easier than ever. When you own the system, you become harder to replace. When you control the ecosystem, clients don't just hire you, they depend on you. If you want to learn how to acquire better clients, how to stabilize revenue, and how to retain them long term, and how to own infrastructure without tech headache, join the workshop. I'll show you how to move from service provider to ecosystem owner. Become the backbone of the clients that you serve. See you soon.